Hello and welcome to my new video. Today I'll be doing a very different video to what I normally do, and today I'll be unboxing the Switch Lite. So let's get straight into the video and start unboxing. So this is what the Switch Lite looks like, still in its wrapping, but fully out the box. Now let's look at what's in the box. So if we open it up, important information. So it just comes with just the basic parental controls, warranty, warnings, all those sort of information, I guess. Here we have the charger, and that is it, because this is the Nintendo Switch Lite and not the other one, so it doesn't come with like the extra bits and bobs. Screen is actually quite big. I didn't realise. That's similar to 3DS, maybe a bit smaller or a bit bigger. I really can't compare, but so obviously we have the charger. We have a micro SD card here, or where one can go in. Then we have a game card bit, volume on and off. So let's turn it on. Got some sound effects going on. Okay, so I'll now set up. As my Switch over there is currently downloading Animal Crossing, I'll be going through the specs of the Switch Lite. So I got this for £199 from Curry's PC World. Switch Lite is compatible with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.1. It has 32GB of storage, which is quite good, same as the version 1 Switch. I'm not sure about version 2, but should be the same. This comes with a 5.5-inch touchscreen at 720p, which is good resolution. Dimensions 3.6 inches times 8.2 inches times 0.55 inches. The weight of the Switch Lite is 0.61 pounds, which is very light compared to the other consoles. However, there are no TV output or docks, so it is just handheld console in general. There are no Joy-Cons, but apparently extras can be connected, so I have to research more about that. So my first reaction and my first review on this is the Nintendo Switch Lite is a great compact device for those who aren't a fan of the original Switch's docked mode. The design is much more comfortable, especially for portable gaming if you're always on the go, because it's handheld. Once again, it's more portable, lighter, smaller, very compact, very nice, comfortable design. Also comes with a nice selection of colours, so there's pink, blue, turquoise, there's Pokemon Edition one and the grey. Did I say yellow? I've completely forgotten. Anyway, so there is a good combination of colours you can get. I once again got the grey one because just kind of my thing. So as Animal Crossing is downloading and it's charging, let's go through what else there is to offer on here. So down here we have news. This is where there's advertisements for new games, sales, and just general updates. It's interesting to just look through all that, see what games there are to offer. Here we have the Nintendo eShop, so just press that. Sure. So how I got my Animal Crossing was through CD Keys. I'd definitely recommend them. Good website, trustworthy as well, from my view anyway. I've got Sea of Thieves from there. May have got Minecraft, and I got the Animal Crossing for Switch off there. So I buy the digital codes. I got it from Redeem Code, which is where you'd go to from the shop here. So there's different things you could do coming soon, so this may be interesting. See what games there are to offer. There's some sales going on as well. So there's all sorts going on this year. There's a bunch of new games coming out. That's what the eShop's like. And then here we have album. I guess this would be some sort of photo collection, screenshots and whatnot. That's interesting. So you can do screenshots and videos when you're on your games. Video captures previous 30 seconds. I'm pretty sure you need a capture card if you want to do a proper YouTube video. So here we have controllers. This is where you can connect controllers and pair new ones. So I probably won't be doing that just yet anyway. System settings, self-explanatory, got support, flight mode, screen brightness, screen lock, parental controls, internet, data management, user, me, amiibo. Oh, amiibo may be interesting. If you can get amiibo on here. Themes, notifications, sleep mode, controls and sensors, and system. Guessing system, yep, system update. Bunch of other stuff going on. This is where you can customise it. Your home page most likely, themes I guess. Oh, maybe not as much as I thought. Notifications, you can do all that stuff as well, so let's go back. And here is sleep mode. I'm not going to double tap that. Self-explanatory. Don't need that right now. So this would be where all my games are. Get quite a lot. 32 gigabytes on the Switch Lite. Very good as well. So double tap up here. And here's your profile. That's my friend code, guys. If you wanna play some Animal Crossing, play some Animal Crossing with me. See what's going on. Friends list. Unfortunately, I have 0 currently, but I will be having some more. Suggestions. This is like friends in general. I will see you in part 2.